What are we doing?
We're riding the train.
Yeah, we're at the zoo. We're gonna ride the train. Get ready, it's gonna start. Here we go.
All aboard!
Is it fun?
Look at this.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna go through a tunnel.
Welcome aboard! Did you know that chimpanzees are great apes and not monkeys? Apes generally have
What do you-
larger bodies and bigger brains than monkeys. The bodies of apes
Yeah.
are built for different forms of locomotion, swinging the arms, knuckle-walking, and walking on the soles of the feet.
Oh, he's blowing a
Chimpanzee
whistle.
fiction houses 7
Is that fun? Are you having
chimpanzees.
fun?